How to fix DEV error 5820 in your Modern Warfare game 3. If you're playing it on PC or if you're playing it on any other device, then how you can fix this error? Firstly, what we need to understand is that we can solve this error only with our network connection. For that, I will check that I'm connected with a better Wi-Fi network on my PC. So let me just click on the right bottom of my screen and check. This is the airplane mode. You can switch it on and then switch it off. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is working fully right now and I have the full network connection on my Wi-Fi right now. What I will do is simply check my Wi-Fi connection. After this setting, if the issue is solved, then it's okay. And if not, you just have to go on the start button and from there you can restart your PC. Just after doing this setting, you won't face any type of error like this and you can play the game smoothly and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.